Alright everyone, if you guys want a nice 32 Ford Roadster all steel body, then this is what you gotta have. This thing is built right. This is it right here. All steel body. Details are on the website with all the information. Thing will get up and go. Great highway speeds. If you want to do 100, you can do it. 5-speed trans. This seat goes forward and backwards. I'm 6'3", I fit in it comfortably. I had another 29 Ford Roadster that not very comfortable, but this one here is comfortable seats for the taller guys. Rumble seat, nice custom red interior. I mean, she's a beauty. Guys need financing, we can help you with that. Just go to our website, click on the financing tab, and fill out the application. We'll get you pre-approved in the same day. We can help you with shipping. We ship all over the world, so wherever you're at, we can get this car to you. Give us a call today, 231-468-2809, extension 1, to speak to the sales department. Or visit us at www.classiccardeals.com. That's www.classiccardeals.com. Last thing we'll do here is check the engine out and rev it up a little bit so you can hear this motor. I'm sure you guys can hear it then too, so but I'll rev it up here. Awesome, awesome. Give us a call, man. Let's make a deal.